things together. That's what family's all about, building memories. Like watching movies together. That's become a thing we do now more than ever with Disney Blu-ray. We love to laugh together.
My name is Doug, and I love you, squirrel.
And share all the magic, fun, and adventure.
Yeah! That was off the hoozup!
And best of all, we're creating new memories with Disney's classic movies. And all the fun activities that my family plays together. Now there's an even greater value than ever before with the Disney Blu-ray Combo Pack. It includes a DVD so we can share the movie experience on the go, wherever we go. Disney Blu-ray, creating new memories.
And now, look for all these new family favorites on Disney Blu-ray Combo Packs. A great value that includes a DVD copy of the movie. Acclaimed Disney classic of all time, and the winner of 2 Academy Awards. Now, for the first time ever in high definition, Walt Disney Pictures invites you to
Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin around your neck, Sherry, and we provide the rest.
Walt Disney Pictures proudly presents Beauty and the Beast.
I want adventure in the great wide somewhere.
She's the one, the girl we have been waiting for. She has come to break the spell.
For the first time ever in a Disney Diamond Edition, the tale as old as time is new again.
Have you wondered how you could have found such a treasure? The gods have a plan for you, a destiny.
I've seen its power with my own eyes.
The release of the sand turns back time. Only the holder of the dagger is aware of what's happened.
How did you do that?
Only the dagger can unlock the sands of time. And there are those who would use this power to destroy the world.
Time will erase everything.
The only way to stop this Armageddon is for us to take the dagger to the secret Guardian Temple. We must take it there. Desperately.
You really enjoy telling me what to do, don't you?
Only because you're so good at following orders.
Yeah, don't press your luck. A sentence.
They strike terror into the heart of all they cross.
Such a noble prince, leaping to assist the fallen beauty.
Who said you were a beauty?
There must be a reason why you can't take your eyes off me.
You're... I...
Fight him!
The High Temple. It's guarded by some sort of demon. Dagger, where's the dagger?
You're welcome to search me for it. You'll have to be very thorough. It's time. We have to get out of here.
Your Disney movies are magic, and the magic continues after the credits. Just look inside your Blu-ray disc or DVD for the magic code to start earning points toward fantastic rewards at DisneyMovieRewards.com.